If everyone already knows Nike, Netflix, and Adidas, why do they still spend billions of money on marketing every year? Let's break it down and what it means for your business. Most people think that once your brand is popular, you can just chill. But here's the truth. Attention is a currency. And attention moves. Just because people know you doesn't mean they're thinking about you, talking about you, or buying from you. Let's take Nike as an example. You already know the name, you've seen the logo, but they still advertise during sports events, launch new campaigns, and collaborate with influencers. Why? Because staying top of mind drives sales. Every second, there's a new business launching, a new product going viral, a new trend grabbing attention. Big brands know that if they go quiet, they get forgotten, even if they've been around for decades. Think about it. How many times have you walked into a store and picked the product you saw on Instagram last week? Not because it was better, but because it was fresh in your mind. That's called mental availability. And brands pay big to keep it high. What worked 5 years ago doesn't always work today. Platforms evolve. People's attention spans shrink. A Gen Z buyer thinks differently than a millennial. Netflix, for example, markets differently across countries. They localize trailers, memes, and even captions because they know one size fits all marketing is dead. And Adidas, they are working with TikTok influencers and even virtual avatars because that's where their audience is. Lesson: marketing isn't just about shouting your name. It's about speaking your customer's language today. Let's get real. These brands don't spend millions because it's fun. They do it because it works. For every dollar they spend, they're expecting maybe $5 or $10 or even $20 back. That is called return on ad spend. And big brands track these obsessively. Netflix tracks how ads drive new subscribers. Nike tracks how brand campaigns lead to new collections selling out. And you should be tracking how your posts, your emails, your ads convert. Now, here's where it hits home. If the biggest brands in the world still market like crazy, what makes you think your business can grow without it? Key lessons. Lesson number 1, stay visible. Even if people know you, they forget you. Keep showing up. Lesson number 2, understand your audience. Speak their language, use their platforms. Number 3, be consistent. One post a month won't cut it. Marketing is a machine, not a moment. Number 4, track results. Don't just post and pray, measure what's working. Number 5, reinvest in growth. Allocate a real budget even if it's small. Consistency beats perfection. Big brands didn't stop marketing after they became successful. They became successful because they never stopped marketing. If you want your business to grow, take notes from Nike and Netflix. Stay visible, stay active, and speak to your people. Hit follow if you want more real talk on marketing that works. And if you're serious about growing your brand, email us and we'll help you come up with the best strategy to build your brand. Thanks for watching.
Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink.